Whenever you feel tensions on your face, 99% you also have headache. That's what I have. So I'm going to show you very simple head massage. Okay, it sounds a little bit scary because I'm going to ask you to use empty fist. Empty fist is like that, but not like this, like that. And you have to relax your pose. Just gently knobbing. And then there's the place where your energy is blocked. Actually, you will feel a little bit more. By feeling a little bit more tensions, actually afterward, you will feel more relief as well. And also to the side, because normally you will have had it also from here. And then at the back, you cannot do like this, then you do at the back like that. So here, okay, so normally you knob it here, here, and here. And then here, 太阳, never hit it, using your fingers tipping it. And then use your hands rubbing it. And use your fingers tapping it. Again, the same place. And going to the back of your head. And from the side, patting back. Now, here is the place you definitely need to check. Behind your ear. Use your index fingers rubbing down. And using the middle fingers from front, rubbing down. Because normally you have a headache, here you will also feel pain. Okay? Your body is talking. Our body is talking to us all the time. So whenever there's energy block, you will start to feel tension or even pain. And don't wait. Don't wait until you have to go to see the doctor. Be your own doctor, taking care of yourself every day with a simple massage. But don't hit yourself. Heading is not hitting. And you can take care of yourself every day.